What's up, traders? You're welcome back to another powerful tutorial. In this video we are going to break down how to install custom indicators on MT4 step by step. So if you've ever downloaded a custom indicator and struggles to get it working, this video is for you. All right, now before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Okay, let us jump right into it. First of all, you need a custom indicator file. Okay, these usually come in .ex4 or .mq4 formats. Okay, so you can actually download them from reputable trading forums, indicator marketplaces, or developer websites. Okay, so just make sure you are getting your indicator from a trusted source to avoid malware or faulty scripts. All right, once you have the indicator file downloaded, just move on to the next step. Okay, now you open your MetaTrader 4 platform. I have already done that. You can see it right here on your screen. You click on file at the top left. All right, when you click on file at the top left, you select open data folder. Okay, so this opens the directory where MT4 stores all its files. Okay, then inside the data folder, you open the MQL4 folder. All right, then you find and open the indicators folder. Okay, so this is where you place your downloaded custom indicator file. As you can see, I have a lot of custom indicators here already. Now you might find some custom indicators already available on your chart, but there are some specific indicators that maybe you heard of it from someone, or you saw it in a video, or saw it somewhere online or something, and you felt like this indicator is going to help you in your trading journey. By the way, we have covered a lot of indicators here on the Forex Geek channel. You can actually check them out. So there are a lot of indicators out there that can actually assist you in your trading journey. Some custom indicators were designed to address a specific issue. So it could be that maybe you're having issues with drawing trend lines properly. There is auto trend line custom indicator. It could be that you're having issues with drawing your support and resistance zones properly. There is an indicator that can help you automatically draw that. It could be that you're having an issue with timing your candles. There is a candle timer indicator, custom indicator. There are a whole lot of custom indicators out there. So if you don't find a specific indicator that you need, you can actually go to a reputable site. You can go to the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, the MQL5 marketplace also have some free indicators. It's just that a lot of products there are being sold. Yeah, a lot of products there have a price tag, but they were actually free products on the MQL5 marketplace as well. Now apart from the MQL5 marketplace, there are other reputable third-party sites that you can check out. Just ensure that you are careful. All right, ensure you're careful and do not reveal any of your personal information on any site. You don't need to sign up necessarily with any legitimate site in order for you to download your custom indicator. Although I think MQL5 you have to sign up, I think, but at least MQL5 you're already sure that it's a reputable site. It's a known site. It's a popular site. Okay, but apart from MQL5, I'm sure that there are a few other that I am aware of that you don't necessarily need to sign up with the site. All you just have to do is you just access the web page where the indicator can be found. Let's just see if we can check out a couple of them. For example, now let's say I want to find a custom indicator about support and resistance. Let's just say MT4. This is just an example, right? So that you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, we're gonna get a result here. Okay, now we can see that the FXSSI I think FXSSI is also a platform where you can also get a couple of indicators. You can get some free indicators from this site. I know about this one. This is another site, Indicator Spot. You might have heard me talk about it a couple of times in previous videos. This is also a site, a free site actually. You can download indicators from. I think there should be another one that I have used in the past. Yeah, I think there's another one I've used in the past. Okay, but yeah, I think this Forex MT4 indicators is also a good one. Anyway, there are a couple of them. Yeah, and then if you just want to go straight to the MQL5 marketplace, you can actually go straight there and then search for maybe any specific indicator that you have in mind. If the indicator is free, that's great. If it is not free, then you can actually check any of these other third-party sites to know if you can get a free custom indicator. Okay, if you have a specific custom indicator in mind. All right, so okay, why is this not in English? All right, so we can see that you can go to market. Seems like I opened that for Japan instead of the one for English. My bad. All right, so there are some paid products, but let's just say let's say we're looking for indicators. Yeah, there are actually some free indicators as well. Okay, you can see here free. We actually have some free indicators here, so you can see the MQL5 marketplace has a lot of free indicators as well, custom indicators which you can download. And I already described the process of adding it to your folder. So once you've downloaded it, you just come here and you add it to your indicators folder here. It could be in the ex4 file, or it could be in the MQL4 source file. Okay, so once you are done with that, then you have to restart your MT4. Okay, you have to actually close your MT4 and open it again. Okay, then once you have restarted, you can now open your navigator. Open your navigator here. Once you do that, you expand the indicator section. Okay, this is the indicator section. Once you expand it, you just find your custom indicator in the list. I already have a lot of custom indicators that I have downloaded. I have downloaded, or the ones that I would have available. Where are they? Indicators. Let's see. I thought I saw custom. Okay, examples. Yeah, so I think all these are my custom indicators. Yeah, I think these are my custom indicators. Yeah, so anyone that you want to make use of, you can just drag and drop. Okay, for example, let's try out the custom moving averages. You can see, just allow DLL imports. Okay, and it's going to be added. Okay, this is another custom indicator. The Forex reversal indicator. I've added it to the chart. You can see I've already talked about this indicator in the previous video. If you've watched that video, you're going to know what I'm talking about. Yeah, all these are different custom indicators. This is a candle timer indicator. Any custom indicator you want to add to the chart, just drag and drop it. This is the BOS and CHOCH. I've also talked about this indicator in a previous video. You might want to check it out as well. It's quite a nice indicator though. All right, so basically anyone you want to make use of, you just drag it and drop it, and the indicator is going to carry out its responsibilities. Yeah, the indicator is going to carry out its functions. So there are a lot of effective custom indicators out there, a whole lot of them. Anyone you want to make use of, just ensure you download it from a reputable site. Okay, please, your security is important. Your personal information are important, so be careful on which site you upload your personal information. Okay, that is the reason why I said that you don't necessarily need to sign up with the platform before you download the indicators. I know that MQL5, they might actually require you to sign up. Okay, but apart from MQL5, which is already a very popular marketplace, at least you are sure that it is not a scam. Any other third-party site that you are not sure of, the the security in that site, please do not necessarily sign up with it. Okay, do not sign up with a platform you are not sure of. Okay, the ones that I showed you, I think you can get the indicators without necessarily needing to sign up for anything. Just download it for free. All right, so once you download it, I already said it, just a very quick recap. You go to file, you go to open data folder, and then you go to MQL4, and then you go to indicators, and then you paste it there, and then you restart your terminal, and then you add your indicators to your chart. Very quick. So that is it, guys. Now you know how to install custom indicators on MT4 in just a few minutes. This opens up a world of possibilities for improving your trading strategies with powerful custom tools. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need help with anything on MT4. Okay, that is it for this video. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.